On this extremely quick Lyft tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and send your referral code. This is super easy and simple to do. Remember, this is for my riders out there, not my drivers. So if you're a passenger taking and ordering Lyfts, you can send your referral code to different people, which gets you perks and bonuses. All I'm going to do is click the icon in the upper left. I'm then going to go to refer a friend right there on the sidebar. And you can see right here. So here in LA, for example, it does depend area to area. Refer in Los Angeles, get 50% off 2 rides. Click get started. I then have my referral code right here. I think it's easier to just copy the link like so. And then, like, say if I go to my notes app, I can paste this here, right? So it's right there. That way, like, say if I want to text a friend or send them this code being like, hey, have you signed up for Lyft yet? Have you ever ordered a Lyft? I can send them this code, and that way I can get my rewards. One last thing I want to say is, remember, your friend also gets discounts as well. It's a true win-win. You can see right here, they get 50% off your next 2 rides, maximum $10 per ride, and your friend earns discounts too. Offers are good for 14 days after they take their first ride. Now you may be wondering, can I get any money doing this? Unfortunately, no. I've done a lot of different videos about getting a referral code as a driver. If I refer somebody to drive for Lyft, I do actually get a cash reward. Not discounts, not Lyft cash or credit, I get actual money. However, as a passenger, someone who's riding with Lyft and ordering Lyfts, you can really only get discounts. Sometimes they might give you Lyft cash as well. I find it has changed over the years of how they do it. When it comes to referring people to ride with Lyft and just taking Lyfts normally, at least at the exact time of this video, here in LA, because it does depend area to area, it is interesting how different areas have different bonuses and referrals. Right now, as you saw, I can get 50% off 2 rides. So I'm not gonna lie, it's not like you're gonna get a crazy amount of money doing this, but hey, it is a win-win. If you're gonna be taking Lyfts anyway, why not get a discount? And if your friend is gonna be signing up with Lyft to ride with Lyft, why not give them a discount as well?